Hello everyone, welcome back to our Tech Talk Thursday series. Today I'm going to introduce you to our new product which is Cloudful.ai. Today I'm going to walk you through my journey of building this Cloudful.ai product. So I am a software engineer. I did my bachelor's in electronics and communications, built power systems and did chip designing and a lot of other things in electronics and communication before I shifted my focus, and then I started looking into how the IT industry works today. I started my career by designing power systems. That's how I was able to use my background of chip design to build a system and also do coding on top of it, software on top of it to communicate back to the back offices. I got into this IT and I started looking into how we can optimize infrastructure. So when I came into IT, it was all about mainframes and big server rooms and data centers. Then I started thinking about how we can optimize this IT infrastructure into a distributed infrastructure that can be used across and shared across multiple enterprises and organizations. So one of my first project was with Northern Trust Bank and other banks which have huge infrastructure, and I was able to help them build their distributed frameworks engineering teams, where I built a lot of enterprise systems that are shared across many of their applications and systems. That's where the public cloud was coming into existence, and I was part of one of the first alpha beta testers who were using public cloud. There was no fancy UIs or portals and things like that. You would basically install a MSI or a exe file on your laptop and then connect to the public cloud and provision the workloads. That's where I started provisioning the workloads for major organizations. I built a lot of enterprise level systems in the cloud for them on the public cloud, and I also taken into consideration the geographies like GDPR, making sure the data residency regulations and all of those things are taken into consideration. More than 200 organizations in my career to move to public cloud. So I came from an electronics and electrical and communications background. Then I transformed myself into a computer science, IT systems, information systems, and then after that I did a second MBA in executive MBA from Northern Illinois University, which really helped me to think, and with a major in strategy, which really helped me understand how I can create shareholder value for an organization. I was able to build systems in the cloud for them where they are able to procure the data from their assets or the 2 million machinery they have on the ground and sell that data to their consumers. I was able to help them monetize the data. For the last 5 years at iSmile, we are building a lot of AI systems and tools. We are building our own models, and we are using the models that are available on the cloud platforms or Hugging Face and many other platforms. That's where a thought came into my mind, like, okay, all the work that we have done in the last 15 years, how can we transform that into a product that can be reused, leveraged by a lot of medium and enterprises so that they can turn their ideas into reality. That's where we started thinking about Cloudful. Cloudful.ai is that one revolutionary platform which is having 15 years of experience of people like me working in the IT systems and infrastructure modernization, any capability that anyone wants to enable for their business on the cloud or on-prem systems. So we are taking all over 15 years of experience that we have, starting from provisioning infrastructure, making sure the infrastructure or the servers or the systems or the processes are compliant as per the regulations. Like, how do you build a HIPAA compliant system? How do you build those systems proactively as part of the platform itself? And again, we are not writing this code manually anymore. With the power of AI that we have learned from the last 5 years, we are basically putting everything that we have learned from the 15 years or the last 5 years using AI. Now AI is writing all those things for us. We are drawing the knowledge graphs, and AI is converting those knowledge graphs into the code. So this system is built in a way that it can provision, it can configure, it can deploy your applications, it can make sure they are compliant, and it can also help your audit partners get the evidence, and you can also do cost management of it, and you can run like managed services on top of it. Like, you can make sure that your systems are up and running 24/7, 365 as per your SLAs. So AI is providing all these prompts, and AI is not even just generating the data. The tool that we have built is even doing the tasks for you. It is taking action on your behalf. So that's where the Cloudful.ai is that revolutionary tool, Cloudful.ai, which is designed to simplify, secure, and save with AI powered cloud management. It aims to transform how businesses handle their cloud infrastructure. So some of the challenges that this platform addresses are such as manual deployments, dependency on people and resources who know how to configure and deploy, and also the high cost associated with it. Also, one of the major challenges that this platform addresses is security and compliance vulnerabilities in managing cloud infrastructure and also cloud cost management. Cloudful uses a AI-driven automation for cloud infrastructure deployment, provisioning, patching, management, and making tasks as simple as having a conversation. So Cloudful.ai seamlessly integrates with major cloud providers like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, IBM, and many other cloud providers. So the platform offers cost optimization and also cost savings by analyzing 84 categories such as underutilized resources. And another feature about the Cloudful.ai is security and compliance, which is a major one. We consolidate all that into a knowledge base and that is applied on top of your cloud infrastructure. So issues like even CrowdStrike will be fixed in a matter of minutes rather than in a matter of days. Thank you for joining me on our Tech Talk Thursday series, and I look forward to meet you all again next week. And feel free to get more information about Cloudful.ai product on our website, cloudful.ai.